Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we just scraped the lot. New build. It's one of our builders behind us right there. All right, Radford Homes. Check us out, folks. 863-410-0877. Joey Manning, salute. 137. Keep Christ first and do all things with it. Salute the area. Holla at us. Radford Homes. (863-410-0877). Give us a call if you're interested in purchasing a brand new home. 863-410-0877. Follow us on all our social media. All right, y'all, it's official. Joy and Radford Homes, man. We got it all hooked up. We finna build. All right, man. Hey, Manning and Radford Homes. We building, baby. All right, thanks, Joy. All right, peace. Y'all already know what it is, man. That's what time it is, man. New build, baby. Stay tuned. West side and the CRA area. We knocking it down. West side and east side. Joey from the east side, from the west side. Talk to you later, folks. Follow on all social media. All right, check it out. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC, and today I'm at the courthouse, and I'm gonna be building a brand new house on the west side of Bartow. I'm going in to get my notice of commencement and file it with the courthouse, and then take it back to my builder, which is Joey Manning. Stay tuned. All right, let's go. All right, it's a good day today. You see where we at? Bartow City Hall. Dropping off what? Permits. New build, Radford Homes. In the CRA area on the west side. Joey Manning. It's a proud moment right here, man. Building a brand new house in my neighborhood. Dropping off permits. Or dropping off notice of commencement. Greg. All right, we're making it happen today. Stepping in the building, folks. Here we go. All right, we got everything filed. They're gonna send Joey his copy in the mail. So we squared away, ready to start building. All right, give me a call if you need me. 863-410-0877. Radford Homes. Salute all better. All right, so the next step is we're going here, file our notice of commitment. All right, going down. We're at the courthouse. Check us out, Radford Homes. Rolling. All right, it's a good day. We got a new build being built right here, Radford Homes. And you know I'm at one of my favorite buildings, and that is Mid-Florida Credit Union. All right, we're going to the courthouse next. Stay tuned. 863-410-0877. I got the boss lady working with Joey today. All right, we're about to get a new build going on here.